This mother dog ran up to a couple cycling on the road, desperately trying to get their attention. She barked, looked back, and begged them to follow her. Finally, they did, and she led them to a pile of huge rocks. Her puppies were trapped underneath. Without hesitation, the couple started removing the rocks one by one, until they reached the tiny puppies and made sure each one was safe. The mother was overjoyed. She finally had her beautiful puppies back. The couple then took them all home, cleaned them up, gave them food, and for the first time, they felt safe.